This is Don, Easy Storm Panels, and we're visiting customers today on seeing how they have installed our do-it-yourself system for a screen porch. And today we're here with Bryan, and I'd like to ask you, Bryan, how things went with the transaction with the Easy Storm Panels.
Everything went great. One of my biggest concerns was the installation. I did it myself, and I was expecting it to be a 2 or 3 day job, and I literally did it in one afternoon. It took me 3 or 4 hours. All these panels went fine. So.
Oh, great! How did the panels arrive in the
they
storage box?
Yeah, that worked great. It was on a pallet with sort of a protective box around it, a plastic type covering. They were all stacked in there and numbered in the box, and so. Just put them in the back of the pickup truck to bring them home.
Oh, great. Yeah. Oh, good. And did you have to call on customer service with Easy Storm?
I did not. I mean, we communicated several times, but there was no reason I didn't have any issues that I would need to call other than just through the ordering process and getting the sizes and those kind of things down. So there was no after issues that I had to call about.
Uh-huh. So would you say you use your screen porch more now than before?
Much more. Here in North Carolina, we have a tremendous amount of pollen, and that was the biggest thing that it helped. I mean, it helped with just winter, being so cold, and being able to enjoy it more. It keeps the wind out and holds a little bit more heat in. It's not like inside the house, but it holds a little more heat in, so it's a little warmer in the winter. It's definitely more usable in the spring. It was a couple months that we couldn't even come out here because of so much pollen before we put the windows up, and so the driving rain, it helps, just helps keep a little more of the weather out, so you can use it a lot more. I can use my porch a whole lot more than I did.
Oh, great. So I'm seeing you have nice furnishings here, and if you didn't have the panels up, I imagine this would be a problem.
Last year they were covered with pollen. We got the porch right before the spring, and I didn't have time to order them and get them and put them in time. So we just suffered. We couldn't even use the porch for 2 or 3 months, and I was out here trying to blow and wipe and get all the pollen out of the porch, and it was pretty hard. So that definitely made a big difference.
So one other question, Bryan, on a cost value point of view, what do you think from your opinion?
Yeah, and I'm actually an appraiser, so I do a little bit of number crunching for a living. I looked at a lot of different products. I didn't realize there were so many once I got to research, and there are a lot of different windows, like house windows, and they were just a lot higher in price and really didn't do much more than these do. So price-wise, I feel like they were by far the best value, and just I feel like I didn't lose any money putting them in. I probably gained that much back to the value of my home. Spent a couple thousand, I probably got a couple thousand back. So I don't think it was bad from an investment standpoint, but mainly just it was a good value, and I would recommend them to anybody. They're a good product for if you want to use your screen porch more. They're awesome.
Great. So we're counting you as a happy customer.
No question.
Great. Well, it was a pleasure working with you, Bryan, and hope we can gain some more work down here.
Absolutely.